Okay, so what we have here is my backup server. As you can see, I have now put the faceplate back on. And I've done some other work to this. My Molex splitter finally showed up. So I can go ahead and have my fan back. I also picked up a SATA splitter, which apparently does not lock the connector, which is awesome. So I can install this right here from this, so it's no longer sitting on my main computer. Which, you know, it's a very creative mounting scheme there, but sometimes you really just, you gotta get creative with this stuff. So I'm gonna get this out of the way, put the cover back on this, and put it back in the closet, which is gonna be interesting because this is gonna pop off the instant I put pressure on it. So we'll see how I actually manage to get this in there. So now that it is online, we can go ahead and come into disk management. We can add the disk that we just added to the system, which is a 2 terabyte Toshiba drive. Automatic, hard drive standby time will set, power management will set, acoustic level maximum, activate smart. It's NTFS, but I'm going to reformat it anyway. Just because, I mean, it's got a backup of the video drive on it, so it's really not going to do much. I can just remake that backup. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer the existing backups from the backup drive on this machine over to that. Once I format, if I can, because it seems to want to do stupid things, ADA3, which is unknown, to UFS, volume label backups 3, and we'll format it. Hopefully that doesn't take 3 billion years. Alright, done. Come back up, hit OK, and it is now UFS. So mount point. We're going to add backups 3. GPT 1 UFS backups 3. Alright, so there. That should be good. Everything should be good to go now. Go to services, server message block. Add in our share. Backups 3. Get out of here. What are you doing? Backups 3. Nobody cares. Backups 3. Okay. It's not read-only. It's browsable. There is no guest access. Apparently it's got ZFS options on it for whatever reason. I don't know why. There should be no ZFS. Everything else should be fine. So now we got. And so now they're transferring 1.28 terabytes for the stuff over. You can see there's usage. There's our additional drive right there. theory, what I should be doing is I should be getting another drive in there for emergency purposes, but I don't exactly want to overload the power supply that's in that system, for one, and two, I also don't have any 2 terabyte hard drives laying around at this exact moment. So, this will have to do for now, and I'm not going to make you sit through the rest of this. So that'll be it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you got any comments, feel free to leave them down below. And this is CP666 signing off. Hope to see you next time. Till then.